Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your darts and loadout so you can act fast. First, confirm you carry the right dart types: standard for damage, tracking for pursuit, stun for control. Once done, open the loadout menu and assign darts to the slot you use instinctively. This reduces fumbling. Then, set a quick toggle key so you can equip darts instantly mid-combat. Do this now to make your first throw count when Specimen Zero appears. Now focus on how you throw, aim, lead, and select effect. You should use hold breath aim to steady your view and reduce recoil, which matters at longer ranges. For moving Specimen Zero, lead by roughly 0.5 to 1.5 meters depending on its speed. This compensates for travel time. Choose dart type based on purpose, tracking if you need to follow, stun to disable. Make sure to avoid armor angles. Hitting exposed head or neck maximizes the dart's effect. Finish every engagement by following up and checking effects. After a successful hit, press the follow-up attack within 2 to 3 seconds to capitalize on the dart's window. This secures control or damage. If you miss, retreat behind cover, re-equip rapidly, and reapproach with a better angle. Watch the status effects icon to confirm impact. If the dart shows no effect, swap type immediately and try again. One tip: if tracking fails, reset distance and aim slightly higher to counter drop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.